These are just my O'Brien hash browns. Bottom layer, just like that. Kind of flatten them down because we're gonna have some other items added on top. I have 8 eggs here, and we're just gonna pop them right on top of those hash browns. You can do scrambled, but this time I wanted to do the full yolks, but I am gonna break them up a little bit because that's how my family likes it, kind of like how McDonald's makes their eggs. Not fully scrambled, but not sunny side up. That looks just about right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and season this up. I have some pepper. This is gonna be such a yummy and easy breakfast. Just your favorite breakfast all thrown into one pan. This is just an 8x8 pan. Then I'm gonna grab some garlic salt because you guys know I love garlic on everything. Okay, that's gonna be perfect. And then I like a little spice with mine, so I'm gonna do some crushed red pepper. This is totally optional. You can skip this, but I like a little kick to my breakfast.
Me too. The red pepper's a great addition.
Thank you. And those hash browns are already seasoned, so we just gotta coat those eggs. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my crumbled bacon. You could do sausage, you can do ham, but today I'm doing the crumbled bacon. And we're gonna sprinkle that right on top of those eggs. Doesn't that look perfect?
It looks so good, babe. Dang.
Just like a nice layer of those bacon crumbles. All right, and then of course you can never go wrong with cheese. I'm using the triple cheddar, and we're gonna use this whole bag, you guys, because the cheesier the better. And these are gonna just be like some loaded hash browns. It's gonna be like something you've never had before. Okay, almost done here. I do wanna make sure that the cheese is evenly spread out. I don't want too much cheese on some area and some areas without any cheese. Oh my God, this just looks like a cheese casserole now. Okay,
Looks
am I
so
crazy
good.
for putting all that cheese?
No, babe, you know I love extra cheese. Just
Okay.
load it up.
All right, now last but not least, I have some green onion. I already washed these up, and I'm just gonna cut some right on top to add some extra flavor to this breakfast. You can never go wrong with green onion. You can use chives if you prefer chives, but the green onion it does it for me. I just love green onion with cheese and with eggs and bacon.
I'm gonna have to agree.
Okay, take that. I keep the rubber bands on it so it's easier to cut. Okay, almost done here. Just quickly get your square footage covered. Beautiful. All right, now our delicious loaded potatoes are ready for the oven. Now those potatoes take a little bit to cook, so it's gonna go in the oven at 375 for 50 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, our loaded hash browns are ready. Okay, and of course you gotta add some hot sauce. You can use sriracha, but I got this fancy black truffle hot sauce because we fancy. And we are just gonna squirt that right on top, a nice little drizzle. My whole family likes hot sauce, so I know they're gonna want it on theirs. Beautiful. Doesn't that just look...
Yeah, it looks great, babe.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you.
No problem. So this is like 4 servings here. 2 eggs a person, tons of hash browns. The dogs are excited, even though they can't have any of it.
I don't think dogs can have truffle,
Yeah.
like in your sauce.
Look
Hear it
at
sizzling.
that. Perfectly cooked. Okay. And if you want more crispy hash browns, you could cook the hash browns first and then add the eggs and stuff. But I like a nice soft hash brown. Okay. Oh, that hot sauce went up in my nose. All right, time to get a nice, good bite of everything. So good, you guys. You gotta try it.